How to fix error code drowned in Minecraft on PC Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the error code drowned in Minecraft, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your services tab. So to open the services, you need to simply press Windows on your keyboard and then go for the search and search for services. Open up your services. So here we need to search for the Xbox section. So in order to go to the Xbox section, what you need to do is simply click on any one of the service and then press X on your keyboard, and it will take you to the Xbox section, right? So here you just need to simply select the Xbox accessory management service, right click on that service and go for properties. And here if the service status is running, right? So in my case it's running, but if it's stopped in your case, then what you need to do is simply click on start and you need to simply start the service. Once you've started, your problem will be fixed. But you can also do that with the other service also. So first start the service right here and then go for apply and click on OK, and then go for the Xbox Live Auth Manager and right click on it, go for the properties and make sure that this service is also running. If it is not, then simply go for start and start the service. And after starting these services, go for apply and then click on OK. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your error code drowned in Minecraft on PC Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.